Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So we are back at the Home Depot and there's some really weird clearance. That air care that we were finding at Family Dollar has cleared out this week at some stores, not all stores, for $1.50. And I think it was like $12 or $13 at the Home Depot. So that's 88% savings at Home Depot. And then we have some tools, including this beautiful set for $11. Remember, we are at Home Depot for this specific video. So if you are driving by or if you live near a Home Depot or this weekend you happen to stumble by one, I think this is stuff to look for if you didn't get the Family Dollar air care clearance for 47 cents. $1.50 is also not a bad price point. So these 5 counters of the Air Wick, and at a bunch of stores, including the Dollar General, you've seen that now it's a 4 count. It's no longer a 5 count. So I think these other stores, such as, Family Dollar and Home Depot, that has a lot of them, probably a directive from Air Wick. They want this stuff, cleared out so customers buy it even at 88% off. So as you see here, it says $12.69 and right below it says clearance. So you can look this up on your desktop computer or the through the website or an app. And then if you click it, it says $1.50, which is 88% off. All of the scents that I was finding are identical to the Family Dollar list from earlier in the week. So I'm just going to show you, yes, these are from the Family Dollar, but it's the same product. And what you specifically are looking for, and this is really, really important, 5 refills. And even though my local store was saying that they had some in stock, if I look it up on the website, I could not find any information. But in store, some stuff was tagged. So this is a weirder one. And not a lot of people are talking about it either. Again, if you're by a store, I would go in and check it out. Look in the clearance aisle or the air care aisle, or grab one if you see a 5 count and ask for a price check. There's always employees floating around and trying to sell you stuff. But I think this is probably the easiest way to go. And if you stocked up at Family Dollar, 47 cents is so much better than $1.50. Am I right or am I right? But I know not everybody got that deal because most couponers really cleared the Family Dollar. So I'm going to show you guys the UPCs off of these products, and my little theory is I think that the Dollar General is going to go next, where maybe this will be part of a penny list, or it'll just penny out one day and we'll be like, what? Not saying it's going to happen quickly, but there's been these 5 counters in the clearance section forever, and if this is a directive from the manufacturer, I think they want them gone. My store was really goofy because there was a lot of 4 counts. Some of them were even clearing those out, but it wasn't the 5 count. So I'm suspecting the 5 count is on a sky shelf, or somebody else went and bought everything, which I'm thinking it's the second part of it. And just to show you guys, here's the regular air care aisle. You're like, oh, they're all there. No, these are 4 counters. You're looking for the 5 counters. So you really have to pay attention to the details, and don't be shy to go to customer service and ask for a price check. And because these rows go really back, there possibly could be some 5 counters at the back if your website's saying they're on clearance. And it is on the top right-hand corner where that arrow is. It says 4 count. Yours would say 5 count, and that's what you would look for. Grab one, ask for a price check, and they're always really nice over at the Home Depot as well. And you can get it for $1.50 if this is your favorite thing. I would definitely stock up because that's a very good price point. You should find on the website or the app, there's a ton of them, but they're not on the floor. Don't be shy to look high on these really tippy top shelves. And the box might have the code along with the units where it'll say Air Wick. And you can ask somebody to take the box down and look inside and see what they might have. Also, we have tools by this company, Husky. This is one that's really interesting. It's called the 52 count toolkit. It has my interest, but the price is still a bit expensive in my book. So currently at some stores, again, it's always your miles may vary what's on clearance. See how it says $22.88, and then right below it, it says see in-store clearance price. So you have to go in-store for these clearance prices. You just can't get them all online and throw it into a basket. This isn't shopping at Walgreens. It's ringing up for $11. So I'm thinking when this stuff usually goes on clearance, which is Thursdays and sometimes Tuesdays, I'm going to keep babysitting this one because if it goes for 5, I'm grabbing a bunch for like little Christmas gifts because I think it's such a practical and great little gift. Okay, that's it for this video, guys. Good luck out there. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.